Hi, this is Monica from Unique Designs by Monica, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create 4 more sports theme balls. I'm going to be making a hockey puck, a football, a soccer ball, and a 8 ball for when you're playing pool. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the hockey puck since that is the most difficult one to do. That and the football because it has more steps to, to go. So I'm going to make that into an oval and then duplicate. I'm also going to grab myself a square and I'm going to make it go from point to point. Just like so. Right, and to make sure that's actually in the center, I'm going to center it horizontally. So I'm going to weld this just like that. And then I'm going to duplicate this once more. And I'm going to grab the bottom area here to make it look like it is oval in nature. So let's just make sure this is center horizontally, just like that, and then weld. Just like that. And now we have, let's move this back. And we have our hockey puck, just like that. So let's make the bottom darker in order to to make it seem three-dimensional. So that is how you make a hockey puck. For the football, which is going to be a couple more steps to do, we grab a circle and we're going to unlock it and make it slightly oval. It's going to start looking like a lemon. The way by the end of it, it's going to look like a lemon. So we're going to grab ourselves a triangle and put it on its side. Just like that. And we're going to try to make this flush with the circle to make it look streamlined. Let's flip it horizontally. And there we go. It almost looks like an iris now. Just like that. Now we're going to weld. And let's just duplicate this in the event that we have any kind of issues. So now that we have our little iris here, we're going to cut this. Now you can make it go as far in or as far as out as you want, but I'm going to snip the ends here. Just like that. Nothing too dramatic. And I'm going to select this box and then weld. So when I select everything, it will slice it. There we go. Good. Perfect. All right. So now that we have the official shape of what we're going to do, I'm going to use this one right here. And I'm going to make the little bands that the football actually has. That's my first band. That's my second band. And I'm going to weld these together, highlight everything, and then slice. Now I can remove the area that I need and everything else can be deleted. So let's change the color to this, to something that looks more like a football. And the bands will be white. And they should fit perfectly. If you find that it's not actually lining up, oh no, there it goes. It should line up because it's exact same shape that you were using prior. Now we need the little stitches in the front. Since I can't get a rounded edge, I'm just going to stick to a more traditional blocky stitch, just like this. I'm going to duplicate that and then create my stitches vertically. Now it doesn't matter if they're not lined up correctly, you can always fix that by selecting all of them and then going to the align. I believe it's vertically. Yep. Select everything. Oh, not the image on top. Here we go. Nope. Let's just move this out of the way. Here we go. And weld. Change the color to something that's similar. There we go. And if you find that it's too big, you can always adjust it. There we go. And we have ourselves a football, which you just slightly, there we go. That looks more like a football. Alrighty, to the most simplest part of the two other balls that we need to create. Just grab ourselves a circle. And the beautiful thing is, Cricut already provides you with other shapes, such as the Polygon Tool, which we will be using. And let's just get this duplicate circle over here. Now you can make the polygon as big or as small as you want. I just want it to be about 2 inches or so. Now you can resize these balls to fit your project. So if this is going to go on a shirt, you can resize it to the size that you need. I'm just showing you how to create it so you can apply it to whatever you would like. So we have our Polygon tool. Let's make this white so you can see what we're doing here. Okay, now this is just a two-step process. So we're going to get the shape that we want first, and then we're going to edit it to what we need. I'm going to show you here what I mean. Okay. Now you can do this one of two ways. You can remove this in the center so this area will be black, or you can have it have the actual polygon tool poking out. So for me, I think I'm just going to remove this, and I need to highlight all of these and weld. Otherwise it's not going to work. Highlight everything and then slice. I no longer need this image, this image. I'm going to just keep this one right here. Now you can keep it like this, or for what I like to do is just go a little bit smaller. Let's just reverse the colors here. Let's go with black on the outside and white on the inside. And there we go. However you want to do your ball, you can do it the opposite. You know, make this black and make this circle white. Come on now. There we go. Whatever you feel necessary to have it look. That is my soccer ball that you can use, create yourself. And the last one, which is even simpler than that, is you make a circle. And very much like I've done shading before, all I'm doing is just creating a crest, selecting everything, and then slicing. Right? I don't need this, this, or this. I will, however, change the 8-ball a little darker, giving it a little shadow. Creating another circle, turning it white, making that a little smaller. Alright, and all I need now is a text. And I'm going to just do number 8. And this is Comic Sans, is Cricut Sans. So it's nothing, weird or anything. It's just a normal font that Cricut already provides. There you go. You have 3 different kinds of sports paraphernalia. You have the hockey puck, you have the football, you have a soccer ball, and you have a 8 ball when you do pool. So that those are 4 more sports items that you can create yourself using Cricut Design Space. If you actually like what you saw, I know this was very simple, but relatively basic shapes are very simple. And if you'd like to see more, click that like button and subscribe button. I post a new video every Wednesday and Saturday. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a beautiful day.